In this class we will learn how to insert detail views, which aim to expand a certain region of the part, allowing quoting and adding tolerances. We will also learn how to insert the center marks into the views, indispensable features in a technical drawing. Come on, then. With the breakdown of the previous class open, we will insert a detail view. We activate the Detail View command and the Property Manager guides us to draw a circle around the detail we want to represent on a larger scale in this view. The circle should encompass all the detail we wish to show. We draw the circle as shown and see that when we finish it, the preview of the detail view is shown and we can position it with a mouse click. We can also modify the identification, style and scale of this view. In Style, we modified to the option with leader, to connect the letter of identification with the circle of detail. Note that the scale of the detail view is always larger than that of the piece, so that the small details are visible and easier to scale. Now we will work with center brands. SolidWorks provides specific tools for adding center lines of holes and shafts. With the center mark command, we add center markings easily. Just activate the command and click on a circular edge. To add center marks in circular geometries, we activate the circular center mark option and click as shown. See that in a quick and practical way we insert the center brands. We have several options for this tool in the Property Manager, including Auto Insert. We can insert center marks automatically for all holes, all rounding and all grooves. Using this other detail, let's look at how to proceed. Just choose the options, in our case, for all holes and for all fillets, and click on the desired view. OK, we insert the center brands in a practical and quick way. To add center lines in axes, we use the command centerline. After activating it, just click on two parallel edges to add the markup. Note we also have the option Auto Insert. Simply mark Select View and click on the desired view. Alright. We insert the center marks automatically. Here we conclude this lesson, where we learn how to create detail views and insert center marks into our drawing.